Laser, when we hear this word, many might immediately think of advanced technology, often seen in military programs with images of powerful, futuristic weapons. It looks cool, doesn't it? Maybe when we were kids, we played with small laser pointers that only cost a few dollars. With different interchangeable heads, the light could project far, and adults would always warn us never to shine it into our eyes, due to the potential harm. That might have been our first experience with laser technology. But today, let's explore a different application of lasers: laser welding. In today's world, welding technology is everywhere, and it continues to evolve. Since the 1980s, laser welding has been applied in Europe and the US. But how does it work? Laser welding uses a laser beam to join metals together by focusing the laser on a small spot on the metal surface. The heat generated melts the metal edges, forming a melt pool. As the laser moves away, the metal cools and solidifies, creating a strong bond between the parts. Laser welding is particularly effective on thinner materials, with welding speeds reaching several meters per minute. It can weld various materials such as aluminum, copper, stainless steel, and even plastic. The welds created by laser welding are precise, small, and the process can be fully automated, resulting in high-quality joints. However, its biggest drawback is cost. Laser welding machines can range from tens of thousands to millions of dollars, and it is less effective on thicker materials. But for thin materials and applications that require high precision, laser welding truly surpasses traditional methods. What's special about laser welding is that it can also be done remotely. The laser head doesn't need to be in direct contact with the material, but can still provide enough energy to complete the welding process. This allows it to weld more complex and hard-to-reach products. In recent years, lasers have also been used more widely across other industries. For example, in the power sector, lasers are used to trim tree branches near power lines in just a few minutes, a task that would otherwise take a lot of time and effort if done manually. Laser technology is incredibly powerful and versatile, with applications ranging from military to manufacturing, and even everyday tasks. What do you think about this technology? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel to support us in bringing more useful content your way.